Hello, land seekers. If you're looking for land, guess what? You are in the right place, because tonight I've got, 40 something properties. All of these properties have seller financing. What does that mean? It means you can invest in the land that you see here on this video without having to run down to the bank and qualify for a loan. And I'm always glad to see you guys live on this great show that I like doing with you guys. I'm Scott from Landmodo.com, and this channel is about helping you to make your land ownership dreams a reality. So you can start living those dreams today. You don't have to put them off another day. Now, before we get going tonight, just a reminder, all of the properties that you're going to see here tonight are available on Landmodo.com. What's Landmodo? Well, it's a land listing platform that connects you directly to the sellers who are offering these properties with owner financing. What does that mean? Sometimes it's called seller financing. And what that means is that you can basically go to the owner. They will front you the money for the property through seller financing. It means there's no credit checks, no banks, no hassles, nothing. You get low down payments, low monthly payments. And as we go through the video tonight, I will be sure to kind of share with you some of the buckets if you're new here. I typically cover like how properties fall into 4 different types of buckets, because typically there's 4 reasons why people buy land. So I also have that down in the chat, but I'll be sure to kind of share it with you as we go through the video. Now, as we get going tonight, let me share with you the different states that we're going to be looking at tonight. Shall we go see what's in Florida tonight? Why not? Here we go. That's coming up right now. There we go. Florida. Here we go. This is in Charlotte County. Charlotte County is in fact one of my favorite counties. Seriously, in the entire state of Florida, I love Charlotte County. And if you've been around here for a while, you know why I love it. If you're new here, let me explain why I love it. Charlotte County is in southern Florida. Okay, like it's in southwest Florida. Now, southeast Florida is like Miami, Broward County, like Fort Lauderdale, West Palm Beach. That's southeast Florida. That's the Atlantic Ocean. Southwest Florida is on the Gulf of Mexico. And the cool thing about Port Charlotte is this is a county that actually touches the Gulf of Mexico. Now, why is that a big deal to me? Well, it's a big deal to me because you're not inland. Okay, like this property that you're looking at here is in fact inland, but it's not too far inland. I mean, like if you like the beach, if you like the water, if you like fishing, well, Charlotte County is a fantastic place to go do that. You got great places like, Gasparilla Island, and you got, just incredible tarpon fishing out there in Charlotte Harbor, okay, in that whole area out there. So you get sportsmen out there. You got the beach, you got fishing, you got outdoor trails, just a beautiful neighborhood. And then the other thing that you have is that you have a county that has not fully developed yet. So you have a lot of vacant land out there. So it's not like you're in the middle of nowhere, but yet it feels like you're in the middle of nowhere because you got shopping all around you. You got all the amenities of life that you want, and you've got land that's untouched that you can still go make it yours. You can build what you want. And that's what I love about land. It's like a cleared canvas, right? Like it's a blank canvas here. So look at this one. Here you have 1/3 of an acre in Charlotte County, Florida. Asking price on this one is $28,995 with $1,450 down and $457 a month for 84 months. You can learn more about this one by going to elmodo.ws/170-620. Moving on, let's check out this one in Highlands County, Florida. Highlands County, what's cool about Highlands County, Florida? Now this one, Highlands County is more inland, so not too far. It's still like the southern, but it's southern central Florida, okay? And Highlands County, what's great about it is that it is, you want to talk about like laid back, you want to talk about, a county that, is like rural, yet, has features too. Well, this is a great one. And if you look at the pricing here, look at this one. This is a 0.18 acre property, so about a 1/5 of an acre almost. Okay, and that's your typical buildable lot. Asking price on this one is $8,700. So you still have affordability in this town, in this county, with a down payment of $299 and $189 a month for 60 months. Learn more about this one by going to elmodo.ws/170-665. Staying in Highlands County, Florida, here we go. Check out this one. This is a 1/4 acre. This 1/4 acre property, the asking price on it is $12,600 with $549 down and $325 a month for 60 months. You can learn more about this one by going to elmodo.ws/161498. That's 161498. Second favorite county in Florida is this one, Lee County. I used to live in Lee County. This is like Fort Myers, okay? Fort Myers, Bonita Springs, Cape Coral are all in this particular county. This happens, this third of an acre. That's a pretty big lot. Asking price on this one is $23,999 with $999 down and $380 a month for 72 months. You can learn more about this one by going to elmodo.ws/167362. That's 167362. Moving on to this one. Let's check out this one right here. Okay, so here we have another property in Lee County. This is a quarter acre, basically. It's between a fifth of an acre and a quarter acre. It's a 0.22 acre property. Asking price on this one is $19,000 with $750 down and $250 a month for 72 months. You can learn more about this one by going to elmodo.ws/161614. That's 161614. Okay. And let's see here. You know, I talked to you guys. I just talked to you guys about, interest and yield and everything. And what I want to do is I want to bring this little calculator up here, because a lot of people don't really understand this. Because again, I get a lot of questions to say, well, what about the interest rate? What's the interest rate? So when I bring up this calculator here, what I want to do is I want to show you, this is my little financial calculator. And you can look at this as well, but look at this. So this particular property, the asking price on it is $19,000. Yet it's $750 down and $250 a month for 72 months. All right. So if we come over to my calculator and type in like $250 a month for 72 months, boom. Okay. So here we have $18,000. Okay. Plus the down payment is, when you look at this one, it's $18,750. So if you look, like the cash price is a little bit higher than the monthly. So what's the interest rate here? Well, when you look at it like that, the interest rate is like 0%, right? Because this is truly a 0% interest loan. So people love to ask in the questions like, what about the interest? And I saw someone say, well, I don't want to pay 100% interest. Well, I've never seen a property with 100% interest. Maybe the property doubles in price because of how long the term is. Have you bought if you go look at a house, geez, the interest rate on a house is ridiculous. You pay like this amount, but if you pay it over the 30-year period, you pay like more than double the price home in interest, right? That's just the way that it is. So that's not something that we can really control. It depends on how long the payment plan is, right? But again, I promise you that as we go through the video tonight, as we get towards the end, I'm going to show you one that we can calculate the interest on using this financial calculator, okay? So just know that this is the math that I'm doing when I'm looking at this thing, and this is what you might be doing too. It's you'll notice that the interest rates are very low compared to the asking price in most cases. And again, we're going to look at another one in detail tonight and see if it just makes sense for you guys, okay? So let's move on. Let's head over here to Levy County, Florida. Let's go to Levy County. Levy County is in northern Florida. This is up near the Ocala area. Okay, this is a quarter acre lot. Asking price on this one is $16,200 with $200 down and $222 a month for 72 months. Learn more about this one by going to elmodo.ws/170395. 170395. How many of you right now are like, hold on, bring out the calculator again because I want to see. So let's bring it out. I know what you're saying. Okay, we'll do it this way. 222 times 72, right? So let's go look at it. Okay, it's 15,984 plus 200 down. Okay, look at this, guys. See, this is the same. This is what I'm telling you. The owner financing here, what's the interest rate? If you paid cash today, it would be $16,200. And if you financed it over 5 years, you're actually paying less, right? Because of the finance terms. You're paying $16,184. So you're actually saving a little of like $16 on there, right? $16 cheaper. If something cost you $18,000 today, or $16,200 today, or the same over a 5-year period, 6-year period, 6 years, what's the interest rate? 0. Where's the complaint about 0% interest, guys? No complaints, right? Like, that's looking good. And again, we will find one as we go deeper now. I'm going to look for one where I think that the interest rate is calculated in there, and I'll show you what it looks like, right? I'll show you how to figure this thing out. So with that, let's keep on moving. Let's keep on marching. And this one, right? This one might be the one as I'm thinking about it, because I just changed slides, and let's look at this one. All right, so here we have a half-acre property. Asking price on this one is $18,995 with $500 down and $299 a month for 84 months. Now let's bring out the calculator. Let's do this one more time. Let's see if we can find one with an interest rate. So here it's $299 times 84. What do we have? We have $25,116 plus the down payment. Now you're like, wait, hold on. See now, Scott, now I see that I'm paying interest. Right. So let's look at this for a minute. Let's do some math. And this financial calculator is really, really cool. You can find these online. You can just Google like financial calculator emulator. And like the most important letters that you're looking at is the N, this is the interest rate. Present value is the PV and the payment. Well, let's walk through these. I'm going to show you a real calculation here. So if you're going to pay $299 a month, well, we're going to put that $299 in the payment term. See, that payment is now $299 a month. And the months, the term is how long is the interest, or how long is the note for? It's 84 months. So let's plug in 84 over here. Let's do this one. Boom. And what is the present value? That means like you're paying $18,995 today for the property, but you're giving them a $500 down payment. That means that you're going to be financing $18,495. We're going to put a negative there because you owe that money, right? So let's do that. Now, if I just hit this interest rate right here, let's look at this. If I hit this interest rate, you'll notice that this note right here, this land is being sold at an interest rate of 9.15%. 9.15% on that particular property. Okay. Now, I can't do this calculation for every single property, but when people look at this and go, man, what's the interest rate? Well, I just showed you 2 of them that were at 0% interest. Actually, one of them is at a negative. I think both of them were at negative interest because you actually get a discount for paying over terms than you do the cash price. But on this one where there was an interest rate, it was 9.15%. Is that good or bad? Well, look, you have some options. You can go down to the bank and you can qualify for a mortgage. You can do all that stuff that we talked about, and you could pay the interest there, right? Like that's just the way that it is. And you could qualify for the loan. And look, could you get a better interest rate? I'm not saying that you can't. It depends on you and what you want to do, your income, whatever. But what if you didn't want to do that? What if you didn't want to deal with a credit? What if you didn't want to deal with the bank, social security number, all that stuff? No problem. That should not stop you from buying land. Now, is the interest rate going to be higher? Well, in this case, we see that it's higher than what a bank would charge, and we can see that it's a little bit higher than what other sellers are charging. But look, this is the thing: it's each individual seller. It's just the way that it is. But remember, you're getting this property right here with no credit check, no down payment, no background check, nada, nothing. So go learn more about this one, and this is a great deal. Go to elmodo.ws/168809, 168809, and own a half an acre of land in Florida. What about a quarter acre? Quarter acre buildable, no problem. I know what you're saying. Bring up the calculator. I can't do it. I'll run out of time, guys. All right. This is a quarter acre buildable lot. $15,000 is the asking price on it. $214 down and $214 a month for 72 months. No problem. Head over to elmodo.ws/169087. That's 169087. Let's see what's next. We have this property also in Marion County. That's Ocala, guys. I don't know if I mentioned that. I know it's if you're not familiar with Marion County, it's up near Ocala. Beautiful area. Okay, just like this one. Quarter acre buildable lot, $13,500 with $299 down and $225 a month for 75 months. Head over to elmodo.ws/162447. 162447. This says Pensacola, Florida, but Pensacola is not a county. This is actually in Escambia, so it's a little out of track here. but this one is in Escambia County, Florida. Asking price on this one is $17,495 with $875 down and $308 a month for 72 months. Check it out at lmodo.ws/165067 165067. Moving over to Putnam County, Florida. This is let's just call it a half an acre, right? I know it's a little slightly less than a half an acre, but here we have a half an acre property. Asking price on this one is less than $12,000 with $349 down and $279 a month for 55 months. Learn more about this one by going to lmodo.ws/170604. 604. Let me repeat it. 170604. Okay, we have another 0.46 acre property, same county in Putnam. And here we have a asking price on it of $11,897 with $599 down and $269 a month for 42 months. You can learn more about this one by going to lmodo.ws/169476. Staying in Putnam. Here we go. Bike to the beach. 35 miles. Okay, wait a minute. I think this property is like 35 miles to the beach. I think that's what it's telling you. I couldn't even keep a straight face when I read that thing. I mean, I guess you could bike to the beach if you want a 35-mile challenge. Now, I got a buddy. He loves to ride bikes. He rides fast. Okay, he's got a fast bike. I think he travels like 22 something miles an hour. He rolls it, right? He's going 22 something miles an hour. Now, maybe that's like an hour ride for him. For me and my 10-mile-an-hour bikes, I'm going to be a while. 3.5 hours, I'll take the car. Thank you. But here you go. If you're looking to bike to the beach in a 35-mile challenge, well, no problem. You have a quarter acre lot on a corner. Asking price on this one is $5,200 with $395 down and $107 a month for 60 months. Covered a lot of properties tonight. Always glad that you're here. Hopefully you found a land connection. If not, head over to landmodo.com. That's the name of this channel, and it's also the name of the website, landmodo.com. Go check out the properties that are there that I did not cover. This is just a sampling of featured properties. Always glad that you're here. Hope you have a nice week. Always love spending time with you. Thanks for your participation in the chat tonight. Hopefully that conversation about interest rates helped you. And with that, I'll see you guys in our next video. Take care and good night.